Chanel, elegant and innovative. Hola mis amores, hi my loves. Today we're reviewing the Chanel phone holder clutch. And I'm gonna let you know, is it worth it or is it not? The look, it's unique and different. Because it's a seasonal purse, it's not what everyone has. It's here today and gone tomorrow. There are various variations with pearls, chains, colors, textures, and I love that this one is for every personality. This one is made from caviar leather, so it's durable and sturdy. It's perfect for everyday wear. It has the gold tone hardware, interlocking pearl CCs. We have the pearls on the handle, and this baby pink, it's beautiful. It's definitely a statement piece. Do you guys see these pearls? Unlike all the controversy that's been going on with these Chanel bags of how they've been made, this one is actually handmade. My essay let me know that they uniquely take the time to make each and every one of these purses by hand with this little intricate detail. So you know that you'll have yours different from anyone else. It's lightweight. It's such a small purse that you can just fit your phone, a lip gloss, and that's it. But let me show you how it is on the inside and what it fits. So this is the way that it opens with the CC. And this is the way that it looks. Let me show you the way that it looks on the inside. So you have the compartments to put your credit card. And then you have this that opens on the inside. You could put some cash in there, some receipts. And then you have that other compartment. What I currently put in there is I have,
If you enjoy beautiful luxury reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe.
this wallet that I have my license and credit card in. What I recommend is with these type of purses, get a little wallet that's flat. See how flat that is? So that you're able to store more. And I'll put that on the front so that I can access it much easier. And then because I don't want to get any staining on the inside and I want to be able to hold a little bit more, I have this pouch. And in my pouch, see how it's clear? Let me show you what I have in there. I have my Flower Nose blush. I have my Flower Nose lipstick. I have a Maybelline lip liner and my Chanel perfume. What I recommend is whenever you're able to get any little samples, keep those, because those little samples, whether they're lotions, perfumes, little compacts, you'll be able to fit in these type of purses since they are so small. And then I put it in here clear, that way I can see what I have and it doesn't damage my purse. And then I just stick it in here. Make sure that everything is flat, and then I will close her up. And this is the way she looks. Cons. This is essentially a small leather good. It's a phone holder. It's not a purse. You will only be able to fit so much. I paid $4,875, but when I looked online, it's gone up to $5,500. And for that amount, it's a lot. So here's the dimensions. It's 5 inches in height, 8 inches in width, and 2 inches in depth. So you really can't stick that many things in deep, not much room. Here is a visual comparison to the walk, because I know you don't have time to get your measuring tape. This is the Chanel walk. Now, next to each other, they are really close in size. There's a little bit of a difference here, but where I believe that it differs is the depth. Inside, this was 2 inches in depth, where the walk is a lot more deeper, and you have compartments. You have this one on the side, the opening, this one in the front. Personally, I love the Chanel walks. I actually have a collection of them because they're so convenient and practical for on the go. Another con is this accordion style. If it would have been just one slot, then I feel that it would have not looked so bulky. What Chanel could have done was made one a little bit larger, because if you start adding more things, then you end up having trouble with this CC lock on the front. And see how bulky it ends up looking? It ends up even going to the side. I love this little handle. I love that I can hold it like this, but with this chain, I would have loved if it would have been adjustable, or even if I would have been able to take it off. Unlike the Walk or other of these Chanel bags, this one, it is what it is. You cannot take it off. So do I recommend her or do I not? And my answer is no.
Don't have a crap attack.
She's a beautiful purse. In fact, one of my favorites. But for the price and what it can hold, it just doesn't add up. Instead, I would recommend purchasing the Walk or the Coco handle because they're both small and they hold much more. I hope that you guys enjoyed this comparison. Check out my Walk video where I do a 5-year comparison up above. I love you guys so much. Los amo. Mwah!